So we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in recording. This will be recorded, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, I would like to welcome you. Oh, okay, welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone. My name is Mitzi Lewis. I would like to welcome you to our Lunch, Learn, and Earn. I am a wife, a mom, and I am a grandmother. Today we will be discussing how you can work from home as a mortgage loan officer, a MLO. We get to help families, to home ownerships. So let's talk about our vision. Our vision is to help 1 million families become homeowners in the next 5 years. George and Chet have been creating awareness to change and opportunity by helping a number of families to become homeowners. So we are 75 for all, powered by Debt Cleanse. In the next 5 years, we will help 1 million families to become homeowners. We're going to be able to dispute debt and resolve credit reporting errors with our AI technology, train and mobilize our community loan officers in every neighborhood. We're going to be able to receive down payment assistance and educate. Now, scores are not there yet. We can help you get mortgage ready. We have an efficient and effective cutting edge AI technology system, which is going to give you advanced AI technology, effortless import, tailored dispute letters, time efficiency, and continuous monitoring. Now, how credit bureaus determine your credit score. Your behavior affects your credit score. So you want to make sure that when you have a credit card that your utilization is 30%, credit mix is 10%, and new credit is 10% as well. So with your payment history, you want to make sure that your payment history is at 35%, and the length of credit history is at 15%. So you always want to make sure that you're doing everything you can when keeping your scores up. So let's talk about the real cost of renting. How much will you spend renting in the next 5 to 10 years? Now, you all may not know, but me, myself, before coming to Georgia, I rented at one time, and we were paying at least $2,500 a month. Now, that is a lot. 1 year, you will spend $30,000. 5 years, 150. But just imagine if you were renting for 15 years, that's $450,000 that you could have put into a home. So you got to ask yourself, do you want to pay 100% of interest or 0% of principal? And like I told you guys, we moved to Georgia and we decided to rent. And like I said, we were struggling paying that rent. So we had to talk about this thing because I was a homeowner before moving to Georgia in Florida. So I knew what that looked like. And I told my husband, I said, look, we have got to do something different. I'm ready to become a homeowner. I know that there's some things that I need to do to prepare. So the first thing, like we just talked about our AI credit system, I had to get my credit straight in order for us to become a homeowner. Now, let's talk about our membership benefits powered by AI. We have a cutting edge AI dispute technology, credit building education and tools, money manager tracker, access to consumer attorneys, debt analysis and budgeting tools, monthly credit from all 3 credit bureaus reporting scores, and also a score simulator and tracker, and you get to have 1 million identity fraud insurance. Now, for only $149.90, a one-time setup fee, first month included, for only $89.95 per month. You're going to be able to refer, maintain any combination of a total of 5 VIP members or influencers, MLO, and qualified to get each month's service for free. 5 is free. Someone go ahead and put in the chat, free, free, free. And speaking of free, by me being a mortgage loan officer, if you have 5 or more people then it is free. I do not pay a monthly fee. So now I don't have an overhead. So now I'm able to focus mainly on the business. So let's talk about Your Story Matters. So we're talking about Miss Kawana. Miss Kawana was a single mom, and she got denied for for a new place due to her credit, and she felt embarrassed. So she decided to reach out to Own Easy to be able to help her with her disputing her credit. So as a single mom, she was able to achieve her American dream. Our attorney was able to find out that she had some violations on her credit, and they were able to have them removed, boosting her score by 24 points. Also, now she's a mortgage loan officer, and she is helping people to be able to be a part of this amazing platform. Now, let's talk about Mr. Rod Farrell, which was a finance manager. He faced credit issues, but he hesitated due to his profession. But his amazing wife encouraged him to join our platform, and this was life-changing. Mr. Ferrero was able to have 97 negative items removed from his credit. Also, he was able to obtain a $10,600 credit line. He had to fix what he was ashamed of, even at 62 years old. So sometimes, guys, we just got to learn how to fix what we are ashamed of. So let's talk about Own Easy Loan Officer Opportunity. Remember, it takes hard work to make substantial income in this business, and some influencers, MLOs, make no money at all. Success in this business requires leadership, hard work, and dedication, just like anything you do in your life. So let's talk about racial inequality in the U.S. for homeownership. Our goal, again, is to increase homeownership rate to 75% all. That means that we want to be able to help all Americans to become homeowners. Disparity in the homeownership rates in major factors exploding wealth gap in the U.S. So when it comes to Caucasian families, 73% of families own homes, 60% of Asian families, 49% of LGBTQ, and 49% of Hispanics. But when it comes to Black Americans, we're at a low of 44%. So somebody go and put in the chat change. We want to be the change. We want to be able to help people that look just like me, just like you, to become homeowners. So as a federal loan officer, you're going to be able to help all families become homeowners. You're going to be able to focus on the underserved and underrepresented. Also, we have government-sponsored mortgages such as FHA, VA, USDA loans, as well as Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, conventional jumbo loans, manual underwriting, on application. So if your application is rejected by going to the system, guess what? We have manual underwriting. They're going to be able to look at that application, put eyes on it to see how they can go about to help you to get approved for a home loan. Also, FHA 203K loans included in Rehab. You may qualify for a FHA with a credit score as low as 580, but we definitely would like to get you at least a 620 or 640 credit score, so you would be able to get a better interest rate. And let's talk about earning commissions. You're going to be able to work this job part-time or full-time, and guess what? The amazing thing about it is that you're going to be able to work in all 50 states. That's right. I get to help people in all 50 states when it comes to purchasing a home. Now, becoming a MLO. Now, you might be saying, I want to take the traditional route. I don't know why you would want to do that, because when you go the traditional route, you're going to have to complete pre-licensing course, pass licensing exams, and most of people fail at 50% rate. You're going to have to complete an annual renewal and continuing education. Repeat for each additional state. Minimum credit score can apply. 50 state licensing can cost you $25,000 to $50,000. But I don't know about you. I believe I would want to take the better route. That means that you get to sign up, receive training, background check, originate, in all 50 states. No state licensing tests, no state licensing fees, no continuing education requirements, no state annual renewal, and no state annual fees. Now, leverage your time and focus more on deals. A loan officer, we get to help the home buyer complete the application process. We get to help them gather their documents. Also, we get to answer home buyer questions about our loan program. So somebody put in the chat, loan buddy. This is where it really gets good. So you get to work with the loan buddy. He's going to work with you with your loan applications, your 1003 application, and help the loan officer through the process. Your loan buddy is going to be able to answer any questions to keep the loan officer updated on the loan status. Also, your loan buddy is going to be able to provide answers and questions about the different types of loans that we offer. Also use underwriting software and finalize and submit loans. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I think I want to keep my loan buddy. So National Mortgage Professional, FHA now allows double dipping on loans. So as of December 16th, 22, the Federal Housing Administration on Tuesday announced a rule change that will allow individuals to serve as both the real estate agent and the mortgage loan officer. Now, realtors get to not only sell the house, but guess what? They're able now to help their client through the process of home ownership. Now, somebody say, is this true? Can you really be a real estate agent and a mortgage loan officer? Yes, you can. Can you do a transaction on the same deal? Absolutely, absolutely, you can. So MLO help families multiple times. So we get to help families become homeowners now. We get to help families refinance later. Also, we get to help families buy a new home when they move. So somebody say the rush is on. The top help, we get to help families and attract others such as real estate broker agents, teachers, educators, tax professionals, religious leaders, stay-at-home moms, notaries, credit specialists, loan officers, network marketers, and more. You get to learn as you earn. So let's talk about the money. Go ahead and put in the chat money. I mean, it's all about helping people, guys, but guess what? It's all about making the money. So as a loan officer income, we earn 100 bips to 140 bips. So transaction loan layout percentages. So if you have 1 to 10 loans, and that's 1 to 10 loans, that means that you get to keep 65% and your loan buddy gets to keep 35%. Now just imagine you moving and you flowing really well with your loans, you're letting people know what you're doing. Now you have 11 to 20. Guess what? You get to keep 75% of that. 25% now goes to your loan buddy. And just imagine if you are just rocking it out, you are just doing your thing in this mortgage loan business, and now you get to keep 85% and your loan buddy 15%. Or else you can say, you know what, loan buddy, I think I'm ready to master this on my own. And now we're going to talk about the 3 enrollments to unlock the bonus pool for the month. So just imagine, like we talked about, 3 houses a month at 100 bips. That means $400,000 home that you sell. Guess what? You just made $7,800 a month. But just imagine if you were closing loans of 8 houses a month at 400,000. That is $28,000 a month. But I don't know about you guys, but I tell you what, I could definitely use that. But just imagine looking at the bigger picture. Now you have done 16 loans at 140 bits. At 400,000, you just made $76,160 a month. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I know that that would definitely benefit me and my family. from being able to help people again to home ownership. So now we're going to talk about recruiting income. Any day can be a payday. Somebody put payday in the chat. Direct MLO closes a home at $400,000. You receive an override of $400 transaction. Now, right here, you have 10 direct MLOs closing a loan. That is only one loan a month, $400,000. Guess what? You just made $4,000 income for that 1 month. Now, right now, you have 20 mortgage loan officers directly to you, and they sold one home. Guess what? That's $8,000 of a monthly income that you made. Now we really getting up here. We talking about 30 direct MLOs closing one loan a month at $400,000. That is a $12,000 monthly income. But again, you are so good at this. Your team is good at this. Everybody is rocking it out. Everybody is talking to people about home ownership, and they are ready to purchase their home. Now you just have 40 direct MLOs closing a loan at once a month for $400,000. You just made $16,000 monthly income. Receive an override on the homes that your team closes. Now somebody say, I don't know about you, but I'm ready. I'm seeing what I like and I'm in already. So let's talk about the Own Easy Business membership, services and benefits that you're going to have: legal plan services, compliance course and training, federal mortgage loan originator, 20% earning as a title rep. That's right, you heard it, title rep, guys. You're going to have access to title rep. Also, we're getting ready to also have advantage of home warranty. You're going to be able to not only help people with their title, but you're going to be able to help people with the home warranty. Also, our AI credit repair and monitoring, 2 new enrollment websites, fully staffed MLO business, leverage income opportunity. Not only that, we have some bonus benefits: $25K life insurance, low cost to no cost medical insurance, equity awards, POS, CRM, and reports. So somebody put in the chat that this is just a win-win. So to become a loan mortgage officer, one-time initial investment. Somebody say that I'm ready to invest in me. Don't always just look at the price here. You're going to be able to have first month's VIP membership, which is going to be included, $66.25 background check, and NMLS fee. Taxes may also apply. But right now, you might be looking here, you might be saying unlimited value, $399.90. And you just heard the word value, because guess what, guys? We're helping people. So if you're a person that wants to give help people in your community to learn more about home ownership, then look at it differently. Don't look at it as like it's $399. Look at this like I want to really be able to help people. And for only $89.90 a month, that's what you're going to be paying. But we just talked about the free. So guess what? Whoever invited you to this call today, you definitely want to get with them right now. And today, guys, that they're going to be able to offer you a promo where you're going to be able to start your own business for only $249.90 a month. So go ahead and put in the check. I'm all in and I'm ready to get started today. So again, we talked about 5 is free. Refer and maintain any combination of a total of 5 VIP members or influencers, MLO members, and qualified to get each month free. Like I told you guys, I don't pay $89.95. I'm able to focus on my business. I don't have any overhead. So let's talk about helping families achieve their American dream. So we want to talk about Dr. Tina Houses, who is a MLO mortgage loan officer on our platform. So after serving 16 and a half years of military, she was looking for something that would allow her to serve others, because she has been in the serving industry for over 16 years. So she wanted to be able to help families as a mortgage loan originator. Now she is part of this movement that allows her to feel proud and worthy. She also was able to close loans in also South Carolina and Virginia and also Michigan. You see this young lady on the right. This young lady meant a lot to her. She was able to actually be at her closing when she was able to close her loan, being a single mom. And also Dr. Tina Howdens was able to take advantage of our legal plan, and she was able to increase her score by 75 points after being previously declined everywhere else. And let's talk about Mrs. Carlotta Ross. Now, somebody go ahead and say that Mrs. Carlotta Ross, she owns her own tax business. She was introduced to this opportunity, and guess what? She did not hesitate. She said yes. She is able to help people. She helps Hispanic families own homes, and she felt obligated to be able to help these people. Also, she was able to manually underwrite. We just talked about getting loans underwritten. So she was able to take advantage of that. So she is the GOAT, guys. When I say that Miss Carlotta Ross is closing the deals, she is getting people to the closing table. So if you like what you've seen and you've reached out to someone, go ahead. The person that has invited you, go ahead and say, I am all in. Again, guys, that you're ready to give help, that you're ready to be a part of the community, that you're ready to be a part of the change. So go ahead again and get with the person that invited you. Again, thank you and have a great day.